for a while. I like your eyes, I like your style. When you said you like me too, I thought I could get close to you. You called me up and made me laugh. You said we had been needing plans. We ate our lunch and I got drunk. We closed the restaurant down. I was thinking if the girl was around. You said you didn't have enough time. You said you had to work, but it was already past due. Are you a doctor? Are you an artist? Are you the man who cleans the streets when I'm in bed? Are you a writer? Do you drive a taxi out to you now? Where am I tonight? To know what's going on. Last Friday I went out with friends to hear my favorite DJs. I danced until my feet passed out, and then I saw you on my floor. My ex took you to come dance with me. He said I love you, but just see. Even though you're looking fine, I'm working out of half the time, but you're not behind the line. You're not passing, I'm working hard. So tell me what exactly to do. Are you a doctor? Are you an artist? Are you the man who cleans the streets when I'm in bed? Are you a writer? Do you drive a taxi out to run? Or am I in tonight to know what's going on? Oh, am I in tonight to know what's going on? Last weekend, I thought you'd rather be my friend. When we walk in the room and then someone to me outside and say, I don't think he's your friend. He deals drugs every night, and besides that he has a girlfriend. So, you're not a doctor, you're not an artist, you're not the man who cleans their streets when I'm